explain. Thank you for explaining everything clearly.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Before we process, may I have your identity? And could you please state your full name and date of birth?
Good afternoon, nurse. My name is Salwa, and my birthday date is March 12, 1970.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Salwa. Now I will explain each one for you, and I have verified that this medication is prescribed you.
All right, nurse.
You have 3 medications to take, ma'am.
What are these medication for nurse?
Okay, ma'am. Let me explain this medication one by one. The first one is paracetamol. It's for helps your pain and reduce your fever. The second one is amoxicillin. It's for treat your infection. And the last one is omeprazole. It's treat your stomach irritation caused by other medication.
Oh, I see. So omeprazole is too stomach pain.
That's right, ma'am. Some medication, especially antibiotics, can cause stomach irritation if not taken with proper protection.
All right, I understand the purpose of each medication now.
Based on the doctor prescription, the correct dose are paracetamol 1 sachet 3 times a day, amoxicillin 1 capsule 3 times a day, and the last one is omeprazole 1 capsule once a day.
Okay, I will remember the decision.
All these medications should be taken orally, meaning you need to swallow them with water.
Got it, nurse.
Okay, ma'am. It is important to take your medication at the right time. The first one is paracetamol. Take after meals to avoid stomach discomfort. The second one is amoxicillin. Take after meals and make sure to finish the full course even if you feel better. And the last one is omeprazole. Take 30 minutes before breakfast to protect your stomach.
I see. So omeprazole is before meals, and the other two are after meals.
That's correct, ma'am. Also here are some important reminders. Avoid spicy and acidic food as well as caffeine drinks while taking omeprazole, and store your medicine in cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and children. If you experience allergic reaction like itching, rash, or difficulty breathing, stop taking the medication and seek medical help immediately.
Understood, nurse. Thank you of the clear experience.
You're welcome, ma'am. Please follow the medication schedule properly and come back if you experience any side effects or concern. Okay, here is, sorry. And here is for you, ma'am.
I will. Thank you so much.